Yo, Street Sensei Talks here. Asia Cup fever is on, and today we are on the street asking people some cricketing question and their cricketing knowledge. Let's see what they have to say today. Okay, so we have Rajiv here, a huge cricket fan, and he is also following the Asia Cup.
Yes.
So, how are you feeling about the Asia Cup? How is it going for you?
It's going great. I mean, even in the absence of Rohit and Virat, still the team is doing absolutely fantastic. So, I mean, looking forward to it. And definitely, we have won the World Cup 2020. We were just close to our final
For 23.
ODI World Cup, but definitely, Asia Cup is ours.
Asia Cup is
100%.
ours. Okay, that's what every Indian is saying out there. I have some questions for you.
Sure.
Okay. So the first question that I have for you is, which hurts more, India losing the Asia Cup or your favorite IPL team losing?
100% India losing the Asia Cup because India is like, it's bleed blue.
Right. What's your favorite IPL team? Right. now?
Mine is Mumbai.
Mumbai Indians.
Mumbai, definitely.
Absolutely. Right.
Yes. So it's Indian blue as well as Mumbai's blue. But
Well,
yeah, India is always
So
first.
it doesn't change. Yeah?
Yes.
That's nice. That's a good take. Who's the most overrated cricketer according to you right now? Who's playing?
Acha, in terms of Asia Cup,
Mm-hmm.
I would say Surya because he's the captain now.
Mm-hmm.
But he does perform well as well.
Mhm.
In the last match with Pakistan, definitely he was there,
Mhm.
till the last. So definitely Surya is the overrated at the moment if you consider Asia Cup. But if you consider cricket as a whole, then it's obviously Virat Kohli. He has
Okay.
been, I mean, you can see Virat Kohli everywhere, in clothes, in shoes,
Mhm.
in drinks, everywhere. Like,
Okay, so you're not happy about the everywhere that he is, right?
Yes,
Not
yes.
about the field itself. In field, he is great.
No, definitely he's a. We want Virat Kohli to be back in T20. I don't know why he
I
has
hope
taken
that's
up.
possible, man.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
really
because
wish if that's possible.
Rohit is also a very fantastic player. He is our captain, but Virat's overall health. I mean, maybe even the youngster who are playing right now, no, they will not able to match Virat's, fitness.
Right.
He's
right.
really fit.
That's correct. Who will be the next Rocco of the Indian cricket team, according to you? Who can fill up the shoes?
Tough, but definitely. I'm sorry, but I feel it is Hardik Pandya and Surya Kumar Yadav.
Oh, okay. The next Rocco of Indian cricket
Yeah,
team?
I somehow feel very, confident about Shubman Gill, but no, Hardik and Surya Kumar Yadav. Yes.
Okay, that's a very different question that we have got today. Different answer that we have got today.
Okay,
but,
okay.
Yeah, great.
Yes.
Next one that I have is, if cricket was banned for a year,
Okay.
what other sport would you watch instead of cricket? If cricket is banned.
Okay, then football, definitely.
Football.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So, who's your favorite footballer right now? And any league that you are watching?
I don't follow league. I follow only the Euro Cup and the World Cup.
Okay.
Yes.
Right.
But yeah, favorite footballer, it's like every Indians have Cristiano Ronaldo, number 7.
So, that's nice. Okay. So, next question that I have for you is, if you were ICC head for one day,
Okay.
what rule would you add to cricket?
Rule would I add to the cricket? Okay. I would, in terms of a rule, so we already have very, exciting rule in T20s because generally you see a lot of new rule being introduced into T20 first, and then they are, being passed on to the other formats of the cricket.
Correct.
But then along with free hit and I will add one gully cricket rule. So it will be like if you cross the ball out of the stadium, it will be double six.
Oh,
12 runs.
12 runs for one ball.
Yes.
Okay, so definitely on the last ball, if you need 12, you are definitely going to win
Yes.
if you are Kairan Pollard or Rohit Sharma.
Yes.
Okay, that's a very interesting answer that we have got from him.
Okay.
The next question that I have for you is, who is the best finisher in pressure? Dhoni in its prime
Okay.
or Hardik Pandya now?
No, Dhoni, it's 100%. Dhoni in his prime.
Whom do you love watching Dhoni playing with in IPL? Against which team?
Against
You enjoy, like,
he was very phenomenal in whenever he played against Australia as well as Sri Lanka. These two countries, generally you've seen Dhoni playing really well.
well,
So,
okay. And what
and-
about in IPL, like Rajasthan or
Acha, in Indian teams,
in IPL?
Mumbai. He has made us lose our final.
I was saying now he was a Mumbai fan and now he's a Dhoni fan. But no worries, yeah, you are a Dhoni fan, so I
Yeah,
can
yeah,
understand.
yeah,
So you love
100%.
playing like watching Dhoni while
Yeah,
playing in Mumbai.
Dhoni has just, I mean, just like Saurav Ganguly, Dhoni is the one who actually, take the cricket for India to a very, very next level. He's like, he's set a benchmark, like what exactly Indian team is, and where do we look forward in terms of this game.
Okay, so he was a
Yeah.
visionary in short. You say
100%,
Like, he
yes,
started
yes.
with the ground.
Exactly,
of cricket,
exactly,
we can say.
exactly. Because he will not have much of his record on his name in terms of scoring runs, centuries, half centuries, or whatever it could be. But 100% he is a world's best captain.
Right.
I mean, till date, nobody would match him. I
I
would
mean-
love my favorite captain will always be Saurav Ganguly, but Dhoni is 100% about Saurav Ganguly
Right.
in terms of
And
captaincy.
also, I think the ICC trophies in his cabinets are the witness of
Yes,
his captaincy.
yes,
I would
yes,
say that. I
yes,
think Dhoni
yes.
is definitely
Still
yeah.
strong, still the thala.
Thala, of course. Thala for a reason.
Yes.
So the last question that I have for you is,
Okay.
who do you see playing the final of Asia Cup and who's lifting the trophy?
Okay. Tough, but India 100% playing the final. But against India, it would be. I feel it could be Pakistan.
It could be Pakistan.
Yeah,
Okay,
they are
so
playing well. Yes.
It might be the third time that we will be facing Pakistan if they come to final.
Yeah, 100%.
Like
But
Sunday they are playing. I guess.
correct.
Right.
But don't know how it is going to be. Again, there will be no shake hands.
Okay, that's a must. I think this is
Yes. But they are also playing
the
good.
cricket fans that no handshakes,
Yes.
just cricket, right?
True.
Okay, so any Pakistani player that you would think that you can trade with Indian cricket team right now, that you think that maybe we can get that one from that team?
Yeah.
Which one?
So generally we struggle with bowling side because we have fantastic batsmen as well as all rounders. But bowling and the pace is something that India generally struggles, but it's not a much of a concern. But yeah, if I want to trade someone, then Shaheen Afridi is the player
Shaheen
because
Afridi.
he will add up to the bowling side along with Bumrah. Will have someone
Okay, not to mention his batting has been improved as well. Shaheen Afridi.
Yeah,
He's
but
been killing it in Asia Cup till now.
I don't think so. We will require any help or I mean from
batting.
Pakistani from back. India is like well capable of it. Yeah.
True. Okay, so that's it for today with Rajiv. Rajiv was with me, huge cricket fan. And anything else that you have to say to our Indian cricket team for Asia Cup? Any best wishes or anything like that?
Yeah, always for the team, we are always there. And be it from stadium, be it from here, be it from ground, we will always support Indian team.
Let's
Jai
go.
ho.
Jai ho. Thank you so much, buddy.
Thank you.
Hi Nurul, which hurts more? So I would like to ask you some questions regarding the cricket. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So मुझे ये बताइए कि which hurts more, India losing the Asia Cup और IPL team is losing?
एशिया कप
Asia Cup. ऐसा क्यों लगता है आपको?
क्योंकि हमारा इंडिया का है ना, इंडिया मतलब अभी इंडियन टीम अपने हमारे हारेगी तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा ना.
ओके, अच्छी बात है. ओके, क्या लगता है आपको नेक्स्ट रो को कौन होना चाहिए?
अभिषेक और शुभमन गिल.
अभिषेक और शुभमन गिल, कोई एक?
कोई एक अभिषेक.
अभिषेक. ओके, नाइस. अगर आप आईसीसी के हेड रहेंगे एक दिन के लिए तो क्या चेंजेस आप लाना चाहेंगे?
जैसे कि लंबा सिक्स मारे तो 2 रन एक्स्ट्रा होना चाहिए, या फिर जैसे अभी
Okay.
100 मीटर के ऊपर से मारे 100 मीटर से ज़्यादा लंबा छक्का मारे तो 2 रन एक्स्ट्रा मिलना चाहिए, 8 रन मिलना चाहिए. फिर
वुड यू थिंक कि मतलब अगर स्टेडियम के बाहर जाए तो डबल सिक्स?
हाँ 10 रन 12 रन मिलना चाहिए.
दैट्स ग्रेट. ओके, एंड थैंक यू सो मच अविनाश.
What hurts most? India losing the Asia Cup or your favorite IPL team losing?
IPL team losing.
So who's your favorite IPL team?
RCB.
Oh, okay. So you are saying that IPL is above country cricket or how it is?
Now the country is not that much better.
Country cricket is not that
हाँ.
much better. अच्छा ठीक है. सेकंड क्वेश्चन है मेरा आपसे कि मोस्ट ओवररेटेड क्रिकेटर कौन लगता है अभी इस जनरेशन में जो अभी T20 में खेल रहा है? सबसे ओवररेटेड कौन है? लाइक सोशल मीडिया वगैरह वगैरह कौन लग रहा है आपको सबसे ज्यादा ओवररेटेड है?
संजू सैमसन.
संजू सैमसन. ओके, तो क्या लगता है आपको ऐसा कि संजू सैमसन कम कर रहा है कंपेयर टू अदर क्रिकेटर?
नहीं, उसको ऐसा तो रील स्टोरी डालेंगे, रील फॉरवर्ड करेंगे कि उसको चांस दो और जब चांस देंगे तो 1 में शतक मारेगा, 3 में 0 मार देगा.
Okay. That's just take off the street. Third one that we have is who will be the next Rocco of the Indian cricket team?
No one in the history of cricket again.
ओके दैट्स अ फन क्वेश्चन बट कोई तो होगा ना ऐसा लगता होगा कि हाँ ठीक है ये शायद कोहली जैसा बन सकता है या रोहित जैसा आने वाले से शुभमन और जायसवाल ओके शुभमन एंड जायसवाल वी हैव हियर सो शुभमन ज्यादा पसंद है या जायसवाल हु इज योर फेवरेट शुभमन गिल ओके इफ यू आर हेड ऑफ आईसीसी फॉर वन डे व्हाट रूल वुड यू ऐड टू क्रिकेट एनीथिंग
Longest 6 get more runs.
Okay, that's fair. And in last over, who do you trust with your life? Last over अगर कोई डाल रहा है तो आपको कौन लगता है कि वो निकाल ही लेगा? Like let's take an example, 25 रन चाहिए लास्ट ओवर में या सिर्फ 10 रन चाहिए let's say, कौन निकालेगा? बुमराह एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम बुमराह और कौन?
Apart from Bumrah, T Natarajan.
T Natarajan. Okay, that's a very clever question, clever answer. So the second last one for you. Best finisher in pressure. Dhoni is in prime or Hardik Pandya? Best finisher
Dhoni.
all time. Dhoni. Okay. Any specific inning जो आपको लगता है कि एकदम मस्त खेला था धोनी ने आप फैन हो गए थे ऐसा कुछ?
IPL के बहुत से
IPL के ऐसे किसके आगे आपको सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है धोनी? RCB? Okay, that's nice. So last question for you guys about Asia Cup. Who do you see playing in the final of Asia Cup?
Of course India.
India versus who?
India versus Pak. चाहूंगा पर आएगा नहीं पाक.
So you are questioning Pak cricket?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sri Lanka.
Pak or Sri Lanka? Okay. Which hurts more, India losing the Asia Cup or your favorite IPL team losing?
Of course, India losing Asia Cup.
Okay. Who's your favorite IPL team?
Is currently Mumbai Indians, and also I'm a big fan of RCB.
So you don't mind losing them,
No.
but you want India to
Yeah,
win.
India to win.
Okay, that's a nice answer. Who do you think is the most overrated cricketer right now in Indian cricket team?
Riyan Parag.
Riyan Parag?
Yeah.
He's not in the playing 11, right? In Asia
He
Cup?
played some matches, right, for in India. In some, I think, West Indies too.
Right.
Yeah, so he's very overrated.
And why do you think that he's a little overrated? Attitude problem?
Fake attitude.
So he's not meeting up to the expectations. Okay. Who will be the next Rocco of the Indian cricket team?
Jaiswal and Gill.
Jaiswal and Gill? What do you
Yeah.
like most about them?
Jaiswal is very aggressive. Gill is very more subtle, and he starts slow and then he picks up the pace.
So that is your favorite thing for
Yeah.
him. Okay. What about in test? What do you think? How are they performing?
They are performing very good. Their aggressiveness is very good, and the Gill again is very slow and steady. And also I like Shreyas Iyer, but he's not getting chance.
Major missing.
Yeah, major missing.
So you are a Shreyas Iyer fan?
Kinda.
Kind of. Okay. If cricket was banned for a year, what would you watch instead?
Football.
Football?
Yeah.
So what are you following right now on football?
And club is Real Madrid. Country Germany.
Okay. Nice. Any favorite player?
All-time favorite player?
Yeah, you consider the GOAT of football.
Ronaldinho.
Ronaldinho?
Yeah.
That's a very clever answer, I would say, because people get lost within Messi and Ronaldo.
Ronaldinho.
Yeah, I've seen him too. Okay, so the next one is, if you were ICC head for one day, what rule would you add to cricket?
I will remove that DRS, umpire's call in DRS.
Oh, okay. Could you please explain that? What?
That sometimes DRS shows that umpire's call, right? And you see that the ball hitting the upper stump, but sometimes you get frustrated, like the umpire's call, if he says no, then it's no, not out. So I
Okay.
remove the umpire's call. If DRS showing the hitting the upper stump, is out.
Oh, okay. That's a very, I would say a very clever answer that I've gotten
Yeah.
today. Mostly what I've got is that if you hit, more than 105, then you
Yeah.
get double runs for sixes.
Yeah.
So people want it, apart from 6, they want 12, like that. But yeah, this one is nice though. Who is better finisher in pressure? Dhoni in his prime or Hardik Pandya now?
Dhoni in his prime.
Dhoni in his prime. Any specific inning that you remember that,
Not
like
right
he made
now,
a...
but overall in average. Hardik Pandya doesn't deliver that much that Dhoni. You have seen the averages. I can't recall the average number, but Dhoni is in the prime.
Okay, Dhoni in his prime.
Yeah.
Okay, and also I think the ICC trophies in his cabinets are enough to tell.
That is as a team, but it's not only for Dhoni. I'm not a Dhoni fan,
Okay.
but it's more about the Chennai Super Kings.
So the way he has lifted the team and things
right.
like that.
He's a very good
senior.
captain. He's one of the best captain.
Right. Best captain for India? Who's the best captain for you? Up till right from Kapil Dev to now. Who do you think is the best captain for India?
Dhoni.
Dhoni?
Dhoni.
Nice. Who do you see playing the final of Asia Cup and who is lifting the trophy?
India
India? Against whom?
against Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka?
Yeah.
And what about Pak?
Don't know chance. They are going to eliminate.
Okay, and let's say if we have to trade one player from any of the team,
Yeah.
from India, you have to remove one player, and one player you have to take from any other team. Which one would you like to?
I don't follow the other team currently in the Asia Cup, but in the Asia Cup, you're like on the other countries. I can choose the other country as well.
Okay, which player would you like?
Hazelwood with Arshdeep.
Hazelwood with Arshdeep. So you would trade off.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right.